Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look here. This is inspired by Becky G, obviously from the title. I do have a photo that I am gonna put somewhere here. If I don't put it here right now, then I'll put it like while I'm doing my makeup during the video. But anyways, this is inspired by Becky G. This is a request that one of my subscribers, she and one of my really good friends, she recommended that I would try doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Becky G. So I really hope that you guys like the way that this look turned out. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. With that being said, hopefully she watches this video too, Becky G. So if you're watching, hey. So I did want to announce that I'm going to be doing a giveaway on the Kylie Try It kit. This is a holiday kit. I did purchase this during the month of December, and I also purchased a second one to do in a giveaway. So happy Friday, it's giveaway time. So if you want to enter, all you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, and then follow me on Instagram. Those four. What comes in this Try It kit comes an eyeshadow duo here. It comes with a blush. It comes with a lipstick. I think this is a liquid lipstick, and then also a liner. So it comes with 5 different things. So if you want to enter the giveaway, then you just have to do those 4 things. And I really hope that you enjoyed watching me create this look. Let me know what was your favorite thing from the whole look. And then I also wanted to mention that the foundation that I did use was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is the original. This is not the dewy foundation. But anyways, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Oh wait, I also almost forgot to mention that the winners will be announced on, the winner for the last giveaway will be announced on my Instagram. So I'm gonna do a live video and go ahead and pick the name through there. So make sure that you are following me on Instagram so you know if you won or not. And then I will also be DMing you on Instagram to let you know if you won, you know, let the winner know that they won. But yes, that's pretty much it. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.